Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to reload your cannons faster in Sand. If you've been reloading your cannons by taking ammunition out of the box, placing it into your inventory, and then manually transferring it into the cannon, you're actually wasting valuable time that could leave you vulnerable during combat. A much faster method is to carry the entire ammo box directly to the cannon you want to reload. Once you're standing in front of the cannon, hold the Tab key to open the radial inventory menu. From there, select the ammunition inside the box and transfer it directly into the cannon's inventory. This lets you skip the extra step of moving ammo through your personal inventory, making the reloading process significantly faster and more efficient. It may seem like a small trick, but during a firefight or a tense encounter with another trampler, saving those few extra seconds can make a huge difference. So if you're new to the game, make sure to use this method whenever you're stocking your cannons with ammunition. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.